Yep.
That's what the guy was saying on that ship I was on the other day. How like in each store, like a code, it's like an address. You know, you're going down the street for a certain address, they just say this code, and you know, okay, that's right where you are.
Yep. This is the inside of the CH-47 Chinook.
Oh, you know it well.
Oh yes. Yep. Just watch your step, folks.
A lot of people in here. Imagine in this, and you gotta walk out the back and jump 100 feet down to the ground. What do they do? They go, they would hover. They got to run at the back. Yeah, they got land there. Because sometimes there's nowhere to land.
Wait, that's the